What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Charm's Kitchen. And today I am going to be doing for you guys homemade hummus. So what I'll be using today, I'll be using chickpeas, tahini sauce. This is the same as sesame seed paste, olive oil, lemon juice, some roasted bell pepper, garlic cloves, salt, and chili. So guys, to get started, I'm going to put the bell peppers in the oven to roast at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, I put my my hummus in a container. I'm gonna use some of this, so don't worry about how full it is. But that's it. So I get one container of hummus, and you can use this to put on bread, salads. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have mine with. So my lovely people, now that my hummus is finished, I'm gonna have it with one of my egg wraps. I don't know if you're familiar with this. It is made from egg, cauliflower, and avocado. Yes, it's keto friendly as well, low carbs. So it's only 30 calories. So I'm gonna have one or two like that. No need to warm it up. I'm going to go in with my hummus, and I'm going to slather some on that. That's why I said don't worry about me filling it up. Oh, think about this. So I have some of my pepper in there. Didn't blend it all the way through. I still wanted to bite into some of that pepper, roasted pepper. Guys, when you cook your own meals and make your own meals, it's very hard for you to go back to your store-bought products. I'm telling you. So with that now, so that's my hummus. So it's much easier now to put a lid on, right? So I keep it in a airtight container and I just store it in the fridge. I'll have some celery with it, some baby carrots, and to this I'm going to be adding some bacon. Add some bacon in there, just like that. And I'm going to wrap this up. Yep. This is going to be my breakfast. So this is my hummus egg wrap sandwich. Oh Lord, I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to have a blast. Guys, remember to like, share, leave a comment down below. Try it and let me know how it turns out for you. You can also use your food processor. Remember that. You can use your food processor. You don't have a food processor, you can use your blender. You don't have a blender, you can use your hand mixer or your juice cup. Just be patient with it. If you want it to be a little bit more fluffy, remember to add more tahini sauce. That's how you get it as fluffy as you want. Bye for now, guys. It's your girl Inspiring Charm showing you her homemade hummus. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for stopping by. Love you guys.